hi. Hi everybody, this is Michael and this is the first pack of Lorwyn that I am opening. We're doing the pre-release tomorrow at the store, so I haven't seen any run away together. Woohoo! Lynthia's Hold, Dawn's like Archer, Bramble Back Brute, Scarblade's Malice, a Stalactite's Dagger. Why you have it? Wayward Familiar. Got her split. I'm reading it at an angle. I apologize. Got Splitter Gang. Springleaf Drum. I'm turning it towards the camera, so forgive me. Rhyme Chill. Okay. Dream Harvest. Glen Eldra's Answer. Holy crap. I mean, crud. Holy crud. Crud. I didn't say anything other than crud. This is Mythic. Mythic. And then Perfect Imitation. On a land. Ooh, and an elf. Nice. Thank you.